Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change our lock screen type in Samsung Galaxy S22. Right now we have just a simple swipe. How to change it? We need to go to settings and here we have lock screen. On the top you can see swipe, so no security, just a swipe. Then we have pattern. We just use our drawing for basically. We can also set up a pin. It's digits only. And we have password. Digits, characters, whatever we want. Of course, we can also use face and fingerprint. But these are the options that we have here. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.